Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is also applicable for Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So in the first step, you need to just right click on the start icon and select settings. Once we are here, just go to apps and click on install apps, and here type in Microsoft Store, then click on these three dots and go to the advanced options. Once we are here, we need to just keep scrolling down until we found the reset section, and firstly you have to repair and try to download the application from the Microsoft Store, and if it does not work, then go for the reset one. But here, if the app still isn't working right, reset it, the app's data will be deleted. So reset this one, and then the last method will be very interesting. You have to just go to the search bar and type here task manager, then click here to open it, then click on run new task and go to the browse button, select this PC, open C drive, open Windows folder, then go for system32 folder. Now here we need to find out the CMD file. Here it is, just select it and click on open. Now check this box, so this will create this task with the administrative privileges, so click on OK, and on this window we need to execute the command that will be sfc /scan now, and if you hit enter, this command will take around 20 to 30 minutes to complete the process, and you have to just restart the system after the process completes. So depends on your computer configuration, the time will take. It can also complete in 5 to 10 minutes. So complete this task, just hit enter to execute this command and restart the system. You can also check the pin command, that will also gonna help you a lot to fix this issue. That's it guys, like the video and please do subscribe the channel.